Facts about mosquitoes you don't want to miss. Fact number 1. Only female mosquitoes bite. Are you aware of the fact that your blood helps mosquitoes reproduce? Also, you should know that only female mosquitoes bite. Your blood contains the protein that mosquito eggs require for development. So think twice before donating your blood to female mosquitoes next time, because there are more than 3,500 species of mosquitoes, and we're going to talk about them right now. Fact number 2. There are more than 3,500 species of mosquitoes. Not many people know that there are more kinds of mosquitoes on this planet than humans are. There are more than 3,500 different species of mosquitoes ready to ooze out your blood. To give you an idea of what exactly that number looks like, if 100 trillion mosquitoes were stacked together on a football field, the pile would reach more than 3 miles high. But you can breathe out, because the next fact will calm you down a bit. Fact number 3. The average mosquito lifespan is less than 2 months. We hope we didn't scare you with the previous one, but it won't get better to know that mosquitoes are one of the deadliest species on the planet. But the good news is that their ideal lifespan is not that long. After mating, a male mosquito usually only lives for 3 to 5 days, and a female mosquito can live as long as a month or 2 under ideal conditions. Females within that time lay eggs every 3 weeks. And mosquitoes also can hibernate, and this is what the next fact is all about. Fact number 4. Mosquitoes can hibernate. Mosquitoes are cold-blooded creatures. They differ from humans in the sense that their body temperatures get adjusted according to their current location. This is why mosquitoes, like the majority of other insects, tend to be more visible during the warmer times of the year. Mosquitoes that are present in temperate regions tend to do a lot of hibernating. We know, this fact has probably surprised you a lot. But wait, the next one is even more interesting. Number 5. Mosquitoes spend their first 10 days in water. Water is essential for mosquitoes because that is where they usually make their habitat and hatch their eggs and larvae, called wigglers. These wigglers basically feed on organic matter present in the stagnant water and breathe oxygen from the surface. They later develop into pupae that do not feed and are partially encased in cocoons. After a few days, these pupae develop into adult mosquitoes. This process takes 10 days before a mosquito starts to fly. Use mosquito repellent spray or mosquito repellent roll-on, and please don't get terrified with the next fact. Fact number 6. Female mosquitoes can lay up to 300 eggs at a time. Yes, we warned you that this one is going to be crazy to hear, but mosquitoes usually lay their eggs at night. Normally, the eggs are deposited in clusters called rafts on the center of stagnant water, or they are laid in areas that flood regularly. Eggs can hatch in as little as an inch of standing water. Females will lay eggs up to 3 times before they die. What a strong maternal instinct! Well, you should know that they are desperate when they sense blood, and it leads us to the next fact. Fact number 7. Mosquitoes drink up to 3 times their weight in blood. You won't believe that, but they're too trusty for it, so they can't get enough. If you want to get even more scared, mosquitoes suck blood through their proboscis, which is like a tube, and it would take approximately 1.2 million mosquito bites to drain out all the blood from your body. Female mosquitoes need blood to lay eggs and reproduce in large numbers. These guys can drink up to 3 times their weight in blood. But don't you worry, here's even more. According to our next fact, mosquitoes are the world's deadliest creatures. Fact number 8. Mosquitoes are the world's deadliest creatures. I know, I promise not to freak you guys out, but facts are facts. Mosquitoes are the deadliest creatures and are capable of transmitting deadly diseases. Mosquitoes are completely responsible for the propagation of malaria, which affects nearly 300 million people every year. Malaria is a disease caused by mosquitoes. There are numerous other mosquito bite diseases like dengue fever, Zika virus, West Nile virus, cholera, influenza. I hope you still keep on watching this video because we're far from getting you totally surprised. Fasten your seatbelts and just get ready for the next fact. Fact number 9. Mosquitoes can detect carbon dioxide from 75 feet away. They sense the smell of your blood 75 feet away. Carbon dioxide, which humans and other animals produce, is actually a key signal to mosquitoes that a blood meal is near. They have a keen sensitivity to CO2 that is present in the air. A female mosquito flies back and forth through the CO2 plume until she locates her victim. But not a mosquito itself is dangerous. After hearing the next fact, you will be armed with very important knowledge. Fact number 10. The bumps from mosquito bites are caused by saliva. When a mosquito bites you and sucks blood from your body, you are left with mosquito saliva in your body. This saliva causes a mild allergic reaction, an itchy red bump. You get a bump because you're having an allergic reaction to mosquito saliva. The bad thing is that you can't really hide from mosquitoes, and here's why. Body heat can lead to bites. Fact number 11. Body heat can lead to bites. Body heat can make some people susceptible to mosquito bites. Usually, visual cues help mosquitoes find humans from a faraway place. But as mosquitoes approach, it's your body heat that draws mosquitoes in. But the good thing is, they have poor eyesight. That is what the next fact is about. Fact number 12. Mosquitoes have poor eyesight. Mosquitoes have two spheres on both sides of their head, which has hundreds of eyes. If seen closely, it looks like a mesh. Due to this design, their vision becomes hugely contorted, and therefore they have to rely on chemical and thermal receptors. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.